In today's video, we're going to talk about how to find the right adoption professionals and attorneys to help you in your adoption journey. Hi, I'm Stephanie A. We've not had a chance to meet yet. I am the founder and executive director here at Adoption and Beyond and also an adoptive mama. At Adoption and Beyond, we help hopeful adoptive families adopt the child of their dreams through our step-by-step process called Your Adoption Success Path. So let's dive into our topic today. So once you get into the adoption process, you're going to build your adoption A team, which includes social workers, financial planners, attorneys, counselors, you name it. These people are your go-to people for the next year or so. So let's make sure they are top notch. Step one, do your homework, read reviews, ask for references. Now, one thing I will say about reviews that you have to be careful of is that there are people who will post reviews because they are angry and upset about something with the adoption process that had nothing to do with the adoption professionals. And they just want to take their anger out at someone. And so a lot of times that gets pointed to the adoption professionals when they really had nothing to do with what happened in the adoption process. So you do want to be careful and read reviews with a grain of salt. You'll also want to be sure that you ask for recommendations from family, friends, coworkers, neighbors. There's someone in your life who has worked with someone in the adoption field, I promise you. And make sure that their values and ethics line up with yours as well. It's like picking a roommate. You want to be sure that you have someone that you like and that you're going to live with for a while. So take this very seriously. Unfortunately, I've had families who tell me that they really wish they would have taken more time in picking the adoption professionals that they chose to work with and move forward. So trust me, it takes far less time and effort to do the work ahead of time to find the right professionals that you want to work with versus switching midstream. So inside the Adoption Success Path, we have workbooks packed with questions you're going to want to ask as you're vetting the adoption professionals that you're choosing to add to your A team. I'm going to share more in the next video about how to simplify your adoption process. So I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks so much.